at Tarrytown. And we bump into a train fan as well. So, let's watch some trains. Here we go! It looks like this one's stopping. This one's stopping. Oh, this might be the train.
It's way off of Grand Central.
Grand Central. Here's the train. I think this is early.
Diesel.
Yep, it's a diesel train.
You'll want to get a good look at that when it goes by.
There we go. There's the train wheels. That's it. We got an Amtrak. Here it is. Amtrak. Amtrak. I got some specials yesterday. What you just heard was my new friend Josh. I'm sorry, Josh. And Sophia. Anyway, that's it. Josh, there's your Bombardier M7A. There's the Bombardier M7A. It's early. There's the elevator. Let's see if we can hear the announcements. Perfect! That train's going to Phillips Manor next. Here we go, Josh. This M7A is leaving. So yes, Josh, this is the M7A. Yep, that's where all the M7As stop at.
What are we getting? The new ones coming into Connecticut, they have a different look to them.
Yeah.
I don't know what a red suit. You have to see it. Oh, I know what you're talking about. The electrical part on top. You can go inside.
Rowan Harmon.
Yeah.
There goes the train doors. And let's say goodbye to the M7A. Here it goes. There's another one. Yeah, you're right. There's another one coming in 2 minutes. And there it goes.
We're out of time.
All right.
Want to ride the last kilometer?
Sure. One more Bombardier M7A for you all.
Is it an M7A?
Yep.
Yeah, it is.
Maybe we can hear the announcements. That door's not opening. There's no announcements. There's no announcements. Oh well, we're gonna watch it leave.
Quiz for Wesley time. Let's see how well you can think. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to wait until the train's over?
Yeah, let's wait till. Oh, there's a door disabled over there. There's a door disabled over there. There we go.
Flashing light hands?
Yeah. See, door disabled, one flashing.